the Master Airbrush Complete Decorating Set. If you're a beginner and somewhat intimidated by using an airbrush for the first time, the best Master Airbrush for cookies is definitely something you should consider. It's ideal for people who've never used one before and want to master the craft of airbrush decorating, feel inviting. Each of the airbrushes included deliver unique results. The set is easy to use and maneuver with, which is why it's often recommended for beginners. Master Airbrush Complete Decorating Set features the G34 Dual Action Airbrush, E91 Siphon Feed Airbrush, and TC-20 Air Compressor. The Master Airbrush Model TC-20 Airbrush Compressor is lightweight and easily portable with a carrying handle. It's powered by the 15 HP motor delivering high air volume of 0.7 CFM. On top of that, the kit includes 12 different food colors and 7-ounce bottles. All the colors are made in the US containing FDA-approved ingredients. You also get instructional airbrush guidebook to help you as you practice.